Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dana, and if you are new here, welcome. Today I am going to be stuffing some envelopes or cash envelopes. So I ordered a whole bunch of stuff from Amazon. It is going to be coming soon, but I've decided to use this for right now. This one right here is just going to be extremely simple. If you guys can't afford envelopes or anything like that, you can always go the route that I'm going right now. This is a photo album, and I just put a piece of paper in there that says what I'm gonna let the money go toward right now. So this one is food, this one is birthday, this one is house, this one is phone, and this one is bank. So that's all I really need of these fives. I'm gonna be adjusting. If I continue with this series, I'm going to be adjusting a whole bunch and getting real envelopes and stuff like that. But I have been so inspired by a whole bunch of people on YouTube and just watching their journeys. And I know that sometimes I do budget. Well, actually, I'm constantly budgeting and it always changes. But sometimes I'm like, okay, so how did I end up with an extra $82? Like, did I overestimate something? Did I underestimate something? I know that my paycheck was only $3 more than I had estimated, so where did this money come from? And I think that this right here is going to help me narrow down where my spending is going. My budget is still pretty solid for me. I love living by the budget that I do. It's extremely simple, but I think that using a system like cash envelopes is going to help me a lot. And I just want to apologize if you guys do hear my neighbors. All she does all day long is blast music all day long, and so I don't have enough time to film. And then I feel like when I try to film, either I'm at work or when I come home it's extremely dark, and so I don't really have the computer skills or the videography skills to actually correct it and make it look a little bit lighter or stuff like that. I do have a ring light, but for some reason sometimes my videos come out really dark, and so I gotta get this done because I have so much stuff to do today. It's like my only day off. I work constantly until next Saturday, and today is Wednesday, so I'm working like 10 days straight. So I am, without further ado, going to get started on these envelopes. So right now I have $290 to start from. So if you guys see my budget, you know that I have, let me see if I can find it. Okay, so this is my budget that I am working with. Some of this stuff though that I like to keep in the bank because I either pay it, I either pay it direct deposit or I just go onto the website and pay it, like my Verizon bill, or like my car insurance, gas bills, stuff like that. So on things that I can't really pay direct deposit, or I feel, not direct deposit, direct payment, or I feel would be better if I had cash, like gas, simply I could put cash in there. But to be honest with you, half the time like the attendant isn't even where they're supposed to be, and I'm not gonna sit around forever. Like, it's just better for me if I go there, pump 15 bucks, and then I walk away or drive away, you know. So I leave this one in there. But house, I'm going to like Walmart. It's simple to just go over to one of those systems, shove some money in, call it a day, you know. So this is where I'm coming from. My budget did change a little bit because I spent some of the money, so it's gonna look a little bit different than what my budget was, but it's still the same budget. I just happen to have spent a whole bunch, well, not a whole bunch, but some of that money. So right now, this is what I'm going to be stuffing. I have a bank fee, I have a phone for me and my son, which I get the phone cards at Walmart. I have a house budget still. I have my son's birthday, which I bought him a shirt that was about 10 bucks. And then I still have $45 for my food budget remaining. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start stuffing this. Actually, you know what? Let's count some money. So I told you that I have $290, and that is what I'm gonna be working with. So I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that is 100. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is 200. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, and 90. So I have a total of 290. Alright guys, so let's put all of this together. So we got ones. I'm going to go ahead and just do the one. Okay, so I have ones. That's 1, 5. And then I have all of these. Which, you know what? Let's just adjust these a little bit. Just gonna switch these. This is how it looks at my job in my register, so I'm gonna just go ahead and keep it like that. So I don't have change or anything like that that I'm dealing with right now. But I am gonna go ahead and just take this and flip it open. So again, these right here are just temporary until my envelopes come in. But I have a food budget, and what is remaining of my budget that I did not spend that I'm going to be shoving in here, or stuffing in here I should say, is going to be $40. So I have 20, 40, and 5. I'm just going to take this and put it right in there, and it fits pretty good. So alright, the next thing is going to be my son's birthday, and he gets 140. So I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 20, and 30. Again, that is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, and 40. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. For my house, I have a total of $25. So I'm going to take this, and then I'm just going to take all of these ones. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I'm just going to put this in there. Hopefully you guys can see that. For my phone and my son's phone, it's going to be a total of $70. So I should have exactly, oh, nope, just kidding. I'm just going to use, I was going to say I should have exactly $70, but I actually have one envelope after that. So it's going to be 20, 40, 60, and then we're going to take this one, which is going to be my $70, and that is for the phone. And then I have $10 remaining, and this is going to be for my bank fee. Sorry, I have like a pillow over there. This is going to be for my bank fee. I'm going to go ahead and just stick this in there. Alright guys, so let's make sure all of that is in there. I have my bank fee, my phone, my house, my son's birthday, and then I have food. So with all of this, I'm just gonna throw this into my purse and call it a day and just work off of this until those envelopes do come in. But I hope that you guys stick around, because I am going to be kicking this up a whole bunch of notches once I am able to get a lot of things in place. So I have sinking funds that I want to start saving for. We were supposed to go on a cruise this year, but it looks like it's going to be getting canceled again, just like last year. So it's a Disney cruise, and it's been canceled for the last 2 years because of, well, COVID, and then I moved, and just craziness. So it was supposed to be this year, but because of that right there, we might have to put that off. So we have a whole bunch of sinking funds, a whole bunch of things that I have to start saving for. I want to start paying cash more, or with cash more, I should say. And I just want to be more financially, you know, stable. I do my budgets and they help me tremendously. They help me so much, but sometimes, you know, it's easier to swipe than it is to hold cash. I remember at one point I just held like $30 to $40 in cash for like 4 months because I didn't want to spend it in my wallet. And so I think this is gonna help me with that and saving just a little bit more. All right, so if you guys are new to this, or you're low income like I am, or you know, if you're just struggling a little bit until you land on your feet like most of us, you know, I would appreciate it if you guys subscribed and you stayed with me. All right, I hope you guys have a very good day. Bye.